What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie, back again with another video. Today's video, I am going to be doing Travis Scott braids. And I'm also going to be trying Travis Scott meal from McDonald's. I am so excited, but a little bit nervous because I want to make sure that my parts are A1. Because as you can see in the picture, like, come on now. Come on. His braids are popping. And I gotta, you know, level up. I have these braids in, which is very, very sloppy. And it's only because I wanted my hair to be straight enough for when it's time for me to style my hair. I don't put heat on my hair to stretch it out or anything. It looks as though that's what they did to his hair in order for his hair to be super straight. But me, I don't. So I'm going to try my best to succeed at this style. I hope you enjoy this video. And if you already like it so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So far, it's going wonderful. I lied. It's very, very hard. I'm trying to make these parts as straight as possible. Look at that. And then this side, look at that. But for some reason, all up in this area, I just can't get to it. I'm doing it off camera because I need to look in the mirror and make sure that my parts are A1. But I just wanted to show you guys the progress so far. Ooh, child. And your girl got a lot of hair. Now, before it was just like, you know, when you say you want something, you want a lot of hair and stuff, and it comes, appreciate it. Like, appreciate the times where it was a lot easier to part and everything. So, because this, it's not easy at all. But I love it. I love it. I'm enjoying the growth. Period. Oh, girl, that's a look. So I'm showing you guys the parts, and the reason why the ones in the back are somewhat bigger is because his hair is cut on all sides and in the back. So it's like I had to make it work. And plus I wanted to do the same amount of braids that he has, which I assume is 11. Like, that's what it looks like to me. Down to the last two. This was literally an all-day process, probably about 3 hours now. So the part could have been perfect, but then I went back and I messed it up or something. But good thing my boyfriend is here, where he was able to, you know, just pinpoint just little strands of hairs that caused it to be a little bit off. The braiding part was piece of cake. It probably took me like 20 minutes. I still got these two, of course. So 30 minutes for braiding. Like, these things are super tight. Also, I did not wet my hairs. I wanted to keep the length that I had. Because once I wet it, it'll shrink and it'll just look like that. And then it makes it harder for me to braid. So I know these two in the front hangs in front of his face. I love middle parts. So I was like, I ain't got no problem doing this hairstyle. And it's crazy because I had this in mind for quite some time. And then one of my coworkers mentioned, oh, you know what you should do? Travis Scott braids. And I was like, that's crazy. That just gave me confirmation like, okay, somebody would be willing to watch this video, you know? So I'm like, all right, bet. I don't know if you guys noticed the shining jam kind of poking out like at the beginning when I'm plaiting it. Yeah, that's how tight it was. Like very, very tight. I put the rubber bands at the end only to make sure that my ends don't curl up because they tend to do that. You see right here. I try to make sure that it's straight because like I said in the picture, his hair is very straight. So, whew. One more, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and do this one and I will be back. Hopefully I can take some pictures and post it on Instagram, but go ahead and follow me on Instagram. All that information is in the description down below. Right now I am waiting on my food. My boyfriend went to go get it while I finished doing my hair. So I'm going to be chowing down, but girl, your braids is popping. I wish I had some beads. That would be so cute, but I don't. So Travis Scott didn't have beads in the pictures that I found, so we're gonna stay true to the look. I really like it. The reason why I really like it is because the parts are neat. It's tight. This side, it's laid. And my hair is long. Girl, come on. Get with the program. But let's eat. I am back. So I figured what better way to end off this video with me eating Travis Scott's meal from McDonald's. And if you don't know what the meal is, it is consisted of a quarter pounder with cheese, a Sprite, and a medium fry with tangy barbecue sauce. I drink Sprite, like that's my favorite, but I am trying not to drink as much soda. I ended up getting fruit punch. Your girl is thirsty. Ooh, that thing's sweet. Got my burger right here. It is 5 o'clock on the dot. Look at that. This is the first thing I ate all day. I don't really eat McDonald's on the regular. I feel like I stress that a lot. My boyfriend didn't get any barbecue sauce, but I got my handy dandy barbecue sauce right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all in here. And it's crazy because I love barbecue sauce. So Travis Scott, you already know what's up. When it comes to food, go ahead and take this. So this is an all-day work. I deserve this. I have not eaten McDonald's in so long. This is just weird. But I really like my hair. It's extremely tight. I'm gonna try to keep it in for a week. I look cute, girl. On the burger itself, it has pickles, lettuce, onions, bacon, and cheese. I don't like pickles. And what I do is I take my fries because sometimes I don't like eating the fries by itself. Put it on my burger. Dang, where's the napkins? Put all that on my burger. Y'all see it? I'm blind. I ain't got my glasses on right now. I put my fries on the burger and then put some barbecue sauce on there. Whew, girl hungry. Slap that thing just like that. Got the bacon. All that. The fries. It's real good because I'm hungry. So oh, and I also bought an Oreo McFlurry because that's probably the only thing I love is Oreo milkshakes. And with McDonald's, it's Oreo McFlurry or whatever. Anything Oreo related. It's really good. Except cheesecake. I don't like Oreo cheesecake. I don't like cheesecake. Put it like that. Whew. I'm not going to finish the fries. I just know it. I'm not going to finish it. The reason why I was able to eat it earlier was because they were like extremely hot. And I'm like, I could do it. But now, I can't. Comment down below your order from McDonald's. And maybe I'll try it. But give me a month or so. Because your girl has been eating healthy for a week. My boyfriend and I have been eating like Caesar salads. It's a Caesar salad, but with chicken. And then it'll be a Caesar salad, but with salmon. So it's like a salmon Caesar salad. Today he actually made some salmon, asparagus, roasted potatoes. Oh, it's roasted sweet potatoes. I'm gonna eat that later. Tear that bad boy up because your girl hungry. Let me know like what other videos you would like for me to do. Comment down below if you eat and drink. Like, take a bite, you drink, you gotta drink something. Take a bite, you gotta drink something. I personally don't. Because it's like, I feel like I get full faster and I like to enjoy my food and I like to finish my food for one. I'm always spilling something. I was trying to be extra. Went ahead and spilled something. It almost spilled on my phone. I'd have been so hurt. I ain't got nothing on my mouth, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, like I said, any other hairstyles, any other videos you would like to see from me. I'll be gladly to go ahead and produce that for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for post notifications for whenever I do upload a video, you'll be notified right away. That is it for today's video. Girl is coming back to back with these videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am gonna post some pictures of my hair. It's nothing too fancy. It's just you seeing what my hair looks like close up. That's really what it is. It ain't nothing too fancy. Your girl don't post pictures like this. I look like someone's son, but I'm glad it's Travis Scott. Love you guys. Suzie is out of here.